One of the most important is making sure that your website is optimized for mobile viewing, because much of the web traffic these days is coming from phones and tablets. Let's click Edit with Elementor, and then in this top, let's click Tablet. If we scroll through the home page, this actually looks pretty fine to me as far as tablet viewing is concerned. So next, let's click the phone icon to see how this looks like on mobile as well. And it's not terrible, but specifically in this top portion, the elements look cramped. Click on the heading, then click Style, and let's edit the typography. Any setting that shows the mobile icon indicates that what we are about to change will only affect mobile. Let's make this font heading 40, and we'll make the font for the heading below maybe something like 20. Now if we click the desktop under this style bar, and we check the typography for the heading, it's still at a size of 90, just where we've left it. Similarly, we go back to mobile, we can click on this button, and under Advanced, knowing that this will only apply to mobile, we could increase this padding to give ourselves some room. You can also hide entire sections based on device type. So let's scroll down to our About Us container here, select the container handle, then go to Advanced, and scroll down again to find the responsive dropdown. Here, if you toggle Hide on Mobile Portrait, it's going to gray this section out. And this won't be shown on mobile, but if we were to come back to desktop, that About Us section is still here. It's worth taking the time to walk through your site in mobile view to make any of the necessary adjustments.